Oh, all of the bitches exotic, cars rebodied, we go retarded. Hop in the foreign, don't need the top. When I get home, I need the top. Louis Vuitton when I leave the house. She got an ass and I grease her mouth.
What's up, y'all? This is Jacqueline. I'm coming back at y'all with the Organique hair review. This hair product has been created by Mastermix and some of the most recently invented fibers. These fibers feature smooth and tangle-free traits, as well as enhanced resilient curl holding advantages. This optimal combination makes the curls last longer. Mastermix is only available through ShakeNGo products. Our Organique is made of the finest grade A fiber formulated to mimic the look and feel of human hair. And I will give them that, like, that is exactly what they did. Honey, you did what you were supposed to do. For this install, I double wefted it most of the way. And when I got towards the top, I started single wefting it. And then with my braid pattern underneath my sew-in, I have 2 anchor braids around my leave out. This is my hair out here, as you can see. But this is from my local beauty supply store for $24.99, and it came with 11 grams of hair. So here's the packaging. Right. So it came with 11 grams of hair. I got it in 24, 26, and 28. Don't mind my nails, I'm not done with them. But I got them in 24, 26, and 28. And I have it installed as a sew-in. Let me show that, y'all. I have it installed as a sew-in. Okay, I've had it in for about a month. Honestly, this is the longest hair in the hair store for the cheapest. But it's actually worth it. I've gotten this hair before, and it was a bit... Stop, Chanel. I've gotten this hair before, and it was a bit more expensive the last time I got it. I have some pictures on my Instagram. I'll insert that for you. But I kept that in for about a good month or two, and I still got to make it as a wig. It still is good enough to make it to a wig. It's half human blend, half synthetic, so you cannot use over 400 degrees on your hair when you're flat ironing. Please do not, because you're gonna burn your hair and then you're gonna be mad. So just avoid that. It gets tangled from time to time, but it doesn't tangle that bad, as you can see. I can just brush it through. Of course, it gets some knots at the end sometimes. But as long as you keep a little small travel size brush, it should be okay. And I'm not getting that much hair out of the brush. So I'm gonna say it doesn't shed a lot, but if you forget to wrap your hair, it will shed a lot once you go back in and try to brush it out and, you know, get all the kinks and curls out of it. But what else? When I first got this hair, it smelled, you know how beauty supply store hair smells, and when you first open it, like that chemical smell, whatever, it had that smell for about 2 days. But after that, I didn't smell it anymore. One thing that I don't like is actually the selection of hair. When you go inside of the store, okay, so you see how I got the special color right here? You might not be able to see it, but in yellow it says special color, and basically the special colors, they just have black roots with the red tips or black roots with brown tips, but they don't have like honey blonde or like honey blonde tips or 613 here. Because what I was really looking for was 613 here, because I want to try to dye the hair and do something cool with it, but I wasn't able to find it, so I'm gonna try to find it. I hope y'all come back and see me soon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tap that notification bell to get all my newest videos.